here's a Trane XE1000. I think it's an air conditioner. Air conditioner or heat pump. It's on the full mode. And it's one of the older versions. Oh, I'm reading it upside down. It has a Climate Tough reciprocating compressor. This thing's small, especially compared to this one. And here's a American Standard. With a Copeland scroll. That's 14. 5 ton. Starting good. Started for that good. I don't think I've ever got an XE1000 starting up. So that's nice. I'll try to get this one without setting up this summer. And here's this one. So yeah. Here's a compressor for that unit. And there are 3 more units around the corner, which I'll film later. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, over now.